Hello everybody, welcome to Jade Bakes Things. Today we're going to make blueberry muffins, which are egg-free, dairy-free and vegan-friendly. These are the ingredients that you will need. Now if you're interested in egg-free or dairy-free baking, make sure to like and subscribe because I make a lot of egg-free and dairy-free recipes. First, you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. Then in a separate bowl, mix all your wet ingredients together except for the blueberries. Whisk it really well so that you get an even suspension. Now these muffins are perfect for school bake sales as they are small and easy to make and allergen friendly. Now you need to add about half of the frozen blueberries into your dry ingredients and give it a mix. Then you add your wet ingredients and just mix it gently until the wet and the dry combine together. Now use an ice cream scoop and scoop one into each lined muffin cup. Top with the remaining blueberries and sprinkle with some raw sugar. Then just pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clear. And there you have it, super easy, egg-free, dairy-free, vegan-friendly blueberry muffins. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.